Welcome to Nexsto. We're excited to join you on this journey. When you first log in, you'll be taken to this screen. On the left side of the screen, you will see four separate options. The first being Dashboard, which is what we are currently on. The second, Team Members, where you can see the other team members from your organization that have Nexsto accounts, and also where you can add team members from your organization to your Nexsto organization. Support for any questions or comments you may have, and frequently asked questions where you can get the quickest answers to the questions you have. The purpose of this video is to show you how to create a reminder and how to create a progress track. First, we're going to be creating a reminder. Go up here and select the button Create Reminder. In this, you'll be able to select the subject line for the reminder, assign the person from your team that the reminder will be for, the due date of when this will need to be due and exactly at what time, and a description of what exactly needs to happen for this reminder. Next, we're going to go over how to create a progress track. As you can see, we have already created a progress track here. We're going to come back to this later, but for the purpose of what we're doing right now, I'm going to show you how to create one from scratch. When you want to create a progress track, select Create Progress Track. You will have two options, create from scratch and import from existing. Import from existing just means you're going to be taking a progress track you've already previously made and copy and pasting it into a new progress track that you can send out to another client. Like I said, for the purpose of this video, we're going to be creating from scratch. Right here, you'll be able to select the progress track's name. For this example, we're just going to be putting in Nexsto, and then here you'll be able to put in the description of the overall progress track. And for the purpose of this, we're also just going to put Nexsto. Then you will assign a team member. Once you've done this, it will take you to another screen where you'll be able to add your client that you're going to want to send this to. You'll put their first name, their last name, and their email that you'll be sending it to. When you want to add a step, you'll come up to Add a Step. Here, you'll put in the step's title, the due date and time, and a description of what exactly needs to happen in that step. Like I said before, we've already created a progress track. I just want to show you how to create one from scratch. But here, you'll be able to see exactly what it looks like once you're finished making a progress track. So, this progress track is going to be showing how to get started with Nexsto. This is the subject line and the description of what exactly this progress track will be going over, which is created a progress track. So when you first come in down here, you will see the three separate steps for this progress track: create an account, fill out the necessary information, and creating the progress track. On the first step, we'll go into more details. Here, you'll be able to change the status of the step. Keep in mind, your client will also be able to change the status of this. That way it keeps a real-time status of the step. You'll be able to see the due date, the description of what exactly needs to happen, and a place where you can upload a file, as well as where your client can also upload files if need be. Down here, you'll be able to add in any kind of comments. That way you can keep all of your communication in one place on this progress track. You'll be able to comment here, as well as your client will also be able to comment here. If you want to edit anything on the progress track, you can do that here or here. And if you want to create a step more specifically, you can do that here. You can also move steps forward and backwards or delete the steps with this button. We hope this was helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you so much and have a great day.